Hello and welcome to muazo.co.uk. My name is Nitin. This is the Bon Parfumeur 301 unboxing. Now, all Bon Parfumeur perfumes are packaged in the same way, so I may not do a unboxing for all of them. However, this should give you an idea of what to expect. Now, this is 301. 301 has the white packaging, which all the scents have, but in this case, the red ribbon or the red band and the 3 prefix. In this case, what this represents is amber and spices. This is going to be an amber spiced, slightly intense fragrance or scent. This sits in the amber spice family in the Bon Parfumeur range. So anything, just at a glance, with a 3 and or a red band, ribbon, you should automatically know that it sits in the amber and spicy scent family. So it's a great way of identifying the scents in the Bon Parfumeur range. Now on to what to expect in 301. 301 is amber, cardamom and santal, with amber and spices, or spices, depending on how you pronounce it. But quick flip on the back will give you a translation. 301, amber, cardamom, sandalwood. Sandalwood is santal, and amber and spices. This is the family it sits within, and intense. So this is what the kind of expectation should be. Now taking a look at the front, minimalist white packaging with colored ribbon. Nice embossed Bon Parfumeur logo up front. I like that, you can feel that. On the back, there's a little hole here. I'll tell you what that is in a second. And in the inside, we're presented with the 301. Now, if you haven't already seen the Fragrance Friday first impressions and review of 301, I suggest you go and take a look. But this will give you an idea of what to expect if you haven't already seen that. So this is amber, cardamom, santal. So amber, cardamom, sandalwood. It's going to be slightly intense, slightly spicy and sweet in my first impressions. So the little hole in the back, what this means is you just give it a push in the back and the scent pops out. Don't grapple at it, you just won't be able to get it out. This is so flush, you just won't be able to get to your Bon Parfumeur scent unless you use the little hole in the back, give it a push in the back and pop it out. I like that. I don't know why, I just like it. Now, onto the scent bottle itself. This is a very industrial looking, square, squat, minimalist bottle. I like this bottle a lot, actually. I like how you could probably stack a few of these together. You know, the whole range of Bon Parfumeur scents can be literally stacked together. Without any gaps. I really like it. I don't know why. I just really like the industrial nature of this bottle. Simple, elegant. And there's not really more to say. It's 30 ml, travel friendly. Pop it into your gym bag, travel bag, weekender, whatever you use to get out and about. Travel friendly, security friendly, you'll be A-okay. There you go. One more to say. This is Bon Parfumeur 301. Amber, cardamom, santal. So amber, cardamom and sandalwood. Let me know what you think. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I'll speak to you again. Bye bye.